Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. Welcome to World of Apps. I would like to update you guys about our latest investment on ZeroQT. So I recently invested $480 in ZeroQT and bought 2,500 shares, which I will double in 30 days, and I am able to harvest them every day, even more often. So I bought 50 days ago 2,500 shares. Yesterday I took out the last money from the amount I invested. So that being said, I recovered my investment completely, including the taxes. And now this is my first day of profit from ZeroQT. So I thought I'd share my journey with you. Right now I have 400,000 ZeroQTs with the capacity of my vault at 50%. And now if we go to account and then to account history, you will see that I deposited 2 times, which is equal to $450. So here at latest withdrawals, you will see all my cash outs till now and also the date. So like I said, let's go ahead and take out and cash out my profits. First of all, you will have to go to harvest, then click on harvest tokens, and now click on harvest all. So as you can see, my amount of ZeroQTs are now moved at liquidity, and now this is the amount of dollars that we will cash out, which is $41. Now click on withdraw, and now choose between Bitcoin, Litecoin and Dogecoin. Add the amount of ZeroQTs you have in your balance, add your Bitcoin address and your 2-factor code, and now click on remove liquidity. Now our bitcoins are on the way. In 5 minutes I will receive the money in my Exodus wallet, and I will show you the amount of money that I received from ZeroQT right now. So guys, I received right now my money from ZeroQT. 5 minutes later. So far it's looking great. I will keep you guys updated. If you want to try this company, check the link in the description box below, and please note I'm not a financial advisor. Only invest what you cannot afford to lose. Thank you so much for watching guys. See you on the next update. Wish me luck. Subscribe to the channel and turn on the notification bell so you can be notified once I will post another update about ZeroQT, about my investment. Like this video if it was useful, and comment down below if you have any questions or what do you think about this company. Thank you so much for watching guys. Have a great day. Bye bye.